Hey guys, it's Wolf Lopez here, back with another video. Welcome to White Rock Crypto. So in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to buy waves. So waves is OG cryptocurrency from 2016 and you can buy waves on Binance. So in this tutorial I will go through it step by step. So the first thing I show you is how to buy waves. After that I will show you how to sell waves, and then I will also, as an extra bonus, I will show you how to trade any cryptocurrency on Binance, so you don't have to watch any more tutorials. Okay, sound fair enough? So let's go. So the first step is to sign up on Binance. Go to the description of this video right now and sign up on Binance, and then come back to this video, because you have to get the signing process going on. It takes like a day or two, so you definitely want to do it like ASAP. But after you have signed up, here's what you are looking at. Okay, so the first page that we will open is this when you sign up. So I want you to understand that you have your own cryptocurrency wallet on your Binance account. It will be automatically generated for you, and what this wallet does is this wallet holds your cryptocurrencies. Okay, just like a physical wallet, this wallet holds your cryptocurrencies, and you can hold any cryptocurrency here, whatever you want. Okay, so now after we buy the wave, the coin will show up right here. Now how do you buy the waves? So here's what you do. You go to buy crypto, and here you can buy cryptocurrencies straight up with your credit card. You can use these other options too, but these days I just use credit and debit card buying, because let's click here. Let's be honest. You want the easiest way possible. This is the easiest way possible. When you put your order here, so buy crypto, you can buy cryptocurrency straight up with your credit card. It's amazing. We didn't have this back in 2016. But anyway, when I click here and type in waves, you can see that we can't buy waves with our credit card. Now that's the problem with cryptocurrencies still. You can't buy all of the cryptocurrencies with your credit card. Okay? So that means we have to first buy cryptocurrency and then trade that cryptocurrency into waves. So let's go to trading, and I will quickly show you what I mean. So I type in waves, and we can see that waves has 5 different pairings: Bitcoin pairing, USDT pairing, BUSD pairing, so Binance USD, BNB, and Ethereum pairing. And what it means is that if you own any of these 5 currencies, you can then trade that into waves. And in this tutorial I will show step by step how to first buy Bitcoin and then trade that Bitcoin into waves. So let's go. This is the easiest method I know. Okay, so let's go to buy crypto. Click credit and debit card, buy some cryptocurrencies with our credit card. So let's buy Bitcoin and then trade that Bitcoin into waves. So again, follow the here. So how to buy with bank card. So select how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Okay, after that click buy BTC and confirm payment details, complete safety certification, and complete payment. So after the payment goes through, the Bitcoin you just bought will show up right here in your own wallet, right? Like I shared with you at the start of this video, you will see the Bitcoin right here. Now actually how to trade that Bitcoin into waves, we have to go to trade, classic, click search, and type in waves. Okay, so now again click waves/BTC, and this means that we are now trading Bitcoin into waves. Okay, so that's how we do it. And here you have sell orders, people who are selling waves, and here are buying orders, people who are buying waves. Okay, and as a currency we are using here Bitcoin. So now what we want to do is buy waves with the Bitcoin we just bought with your credit card, and here's how you do it. You click market. Limit means that, for example, if you think the price is going down, you can put your price here and select how much you want to buy, and then click buy waves, and then it will leave your open order. Open order means that if the price, for example, dips now, your order will go through as it dips. But with this, the problem is that if the market doesn't, for example, go up or whatever you put here, your trade won't go on. Okay, so that means I don't like to use it. Okay, because we are in the bull market currently, in my opinion. So yeah, so what we want to do, and what I've been doing for past year, is I just been using market buy, which means that it will buy with the lowest price possible. You will get the best price possible. Okay, And when you buy click the market and then select how much you want to buy. For example, if you go with 100%, it means that you are selling all of the bitcoins you just bought with your credit card and trading that into waves. So if that's something what you want to do, just go with 100%. But if you want to, for example, sell 50% of your bitcoins into waves, just go with 50%. But just decide how much you want to buy and then click buy waves. Then the trade will automatically execute and the waves you just bought will show up right here in your wallet. Okay, so that's how you buy waves. Now, how to actually sell waves? I want to show you that also, as I shared with you in the beginning of this video. Okay, so how to sell waves? It's very simple. It's the same thing but inverse. So go trade, go classic, and click search here, and type in waves. And let's say that we want to sell our waves for BUSD. So let's click that, and here again, here are sell orders for waves and buy orders for waves. And what we want to look here is this. We are selling the people who want to buy. So again, go to market and here sell waves. So let's say that we want to sell all of the waves we just bought. Just go with 100%, and when you click sell waves, it will sell all of your waves tokens and trade that into Binance USD. Okay, and of course you can again select how much you want to sell. So that's how you can sell. So let's say that you sell some waves now for Binance USD token. Boom. You have now BUSD. Now you can come again here and type in BUSD and use that BUSD to buy any currency here. Let's say that you want to buy Dodo. You just click Dodo, and again, here are the sell orders for Dodo and buy orders for Dodo. All you have to do is go to market and buy Dodo. Now you are using BUSD and just use that and buy Dodo, and boom. Now we have Dodo. Now we can come here again and sell Dodo for USDT. So click again sell orders for Dodo, and you see that's how you can do it. You can trade any cryptocurrency on Binance. Okay, so that's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. As we are closing in this tutorial here, I want to quickly shout out that if you want my free newsletter, click the first link in description and sign up. Okay, it's free newsletter. I send all kinds of valuable information. So like you can see, my top 3 picks, latest news, bonuses, market updates, giveaways, tutorials, training, special offers, recommendation, all kinds of stuff. So very valuable stuff. So definitely check it out. Okay, and also like this video. That would help me so much to get more exposure on this channel. Also subscribe, because I'm going to release daily cryptocurrency educational videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos, guys.